have cooperated us for our National Vegetarian Movement today. In fact, we are creating lot of awareness by lot of rallies, lot of clubs. We are planning to open more than 60 clubs together in Telangana and Andhra for to create awareness in both of these states. Actually, we are all follower of Sri Acharya Srinivas. By his inspiration, we all came together and we have formed this National Vegetarian Movement platform. In fact, we must give our sincere thanks to Acharya Srinivas, who basically non-vegetarian, but he converted to vegetarian and now he is doing lot of work for this beautiful moment. In fact, ये भगवान का उनको शायद आदेश है, ये भगवान का ऑर्डर है, ईश्वर ने उनको इसी कार्य के लिए हमारे बीच भेजा है और ये कार्य उन्होंने जिस ढंग से कर रहे हैं उसकी जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए कम है। शायद ये हम सबका पुण्य है कि हम भी इस नेक और नैतिक कार्य में उनका साथ दे रहे हैं, उनके साथ खड़े हैं। हम सब कार्यों में उनको डेली सपोर्ट करते आ रहे हैं। आई थिंक his work will spread all over India. In next 2-3 years, we will open National Vegetarian Club in all of the Indian states. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, a non-vegetarian person consumes 30,000 liter extra water from vegetarian person. If a family is having 5 members, they will consume more than 1,50,000 extra water just to wash the meat or just to prepare the non-vegetarian food, and which is very harmful for the total society. In fact, it is proven by the science that that vegetarian is having more protein than non-veg. It was एक ऐसा भ्रम था कि जो नॉन-वेज डिशेज हैं वो हमें ज़्यादा शक्ति देती हैं, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Now it is proven by the science that there is a no extra strength in non-veg food. If we want peace in our life, if we want to remain peacefully, and we have to complete this our human journey, we should promote vegetarianism, and for this we have to create lot of awareness. I give sincere thanks to Srinivas and all of you that you invited us here, and I hope this work will go far and the result will come very soon. Thank you very much.